77 MacArthur Drive, a custom-built home offering many unique features, starting with this grand entrance. I know you'll enjoy this tour. Experience the beauty of a stunning wood ceiling and a meticulously crafted custom brass fireplace. Step into this modernized eating kitchen featuring high-quality cherry wood cabinets, top-of-the-line Viking stainless steel appliances, and a charming dining area that overlooks a breathtaking yard. This yard is a picturesque setting, perfectly primed for all your entertaining needs.